So what is up, Turbo fam? We are back with another video on Turbo, and today we're going to be taking another look on what Turbo has been doing. Again, if you have been keeping track of the markets, they are not doing it too good. Even Turbo is down a lot. Almost the whole market is down, but we're still going to take a look at why Turbo is still a crazy buy the dip opportunity right now. So before we do start the video, I do want to mention the Discord community. Link is down in the description. Again, you could go check out the features in the server. You could be a part of the community with people just like you trying to grow in the meme coin space. So do make sure to join in and be a part of this amazing community. If you do enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen looking at Turbo. On the weekly, it is down 32%. On the daily, it is down almost 10%. So it's having pretty huge dips. Again, as we did talk about, it's not just Turbo. If we take a look at the market cap, it is at about $531 million, volume at $212 million. Turbo is currently priced at around 0.208134, so down to 0.208. And if we take a look at the rest of the market right now, Bitcoin down 3%, Ethereum 6%, and we can see market is bleeding green. Almost all of these coins, look at these numbers going down about 25%. And if we take a let's take a look at the better chart. We can see daily, this is the daily chart. We can see we only see a couple of green coins, and these are new meme coins that are coming into the market. Weekly, if we look, the market is absolutely bleeding. We can see only about 1 or 2% of this whole chart is in the green. Only these two coins, Fartcoin and Hype right here. Monthly, most of these are still, but in the past week, day, they are all red right now. So I'm not too surprised about Turbo as well. Almost the whole market is looking red right now. Market cap has dipped around a lot, currently at 530 million. Volume still holding strong though, so above that $200 million range. If we take a look at the website, if you don't already know what Turbo is one of the first meme coins created using AI. We could see they use ChatGPT-4, and with a budget of only $69, they created this meme coin. If we look at recent announcement that we got of Turbo, we could see Turbo now officially has its own chain. It's called the Turbo chain, and you could go ahead and now swap your USDC or your Ethereum for the Turbo chain right here. You can see turboswap.org. So you could definitely check this out. This was one of the main recent announcement that we got. It was made possible by Aurora Labs and Near Protocol. So two really big announcements we got just about 2 days ago. I believe today's the 19th, and it was launched on the 17th. If we look at exchange listings, 115 plus spot exchange listings for Turbo, and that is no small task. Again, on Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, a ton of these exchanges. Being listed on the world's best exchanges, it's not a small task. And if this was a rug pull, it would have rug pulled already. And I don't think people understand the term rug pull. They just call any coin that's going down a rug pull. If we zoom out on the Turbo chart, this is nowhere near close a rug pull. We can see the chart is very organic. A rug pull is if a coin pumps, the developer takes some money. If Turbo was a rug pull, the chart would have looked like this right here. But that didn't happen because we all know that Turbo is not a rug pull. People are still in the market spreading FUD about Turbo. So still, again, that is again your own personal opinion. I am not a financial advisor. Do make sure to do your own research first before getting into any of these meme coins. But looking at all the statistics, this is still not a rug pull. Being on Binance and Coinbase, they obviously know what they're doing. Biggest exchanges in the world. They have to believe in the project to actually list them on their exchange as well. Perpetuals futures, it's on Coinbase, Binance, and all of these other exchanges as well. As we did talk about the collaboration by Near Protocol and Aurora Labs giving Turbo its own chain. There have been a ton of other collaborations as well with Chainlink and all these other companies If we do take a look at the Twitter, we are looking at about 104K followers. We see Pixelverse announcements. We could see Wealthmagnethub. We see a lot of other companies joining in. We see new listing, Orderly Network. So exchange listings are very common for Turbo now, and a lot of stuff going on with the Twitter itself as always. If we take a look at the graphs, we could see not looking very good. If we take a look at, still the patterns are still playing out. If we do take a look at these bottoms, we could see it still hasn't even hit the bottom yet. It most likely will hit just a little bit more, but overall, even in the long term, it still looks bullish. We could see this is what it's currently playing out, and the dip right now that we are seeing is still very regular. If we take a look at the previous dips we have had in the market, we went down 65% in just these about 3 weeks of this new all-time high, the crazy upside pump we had. If we now look at the next one, we had about a 47% dip. And if we take a look at what we are having right now, this is about currently a 45%, 46% dip as well. So again, this is not the first time it happened. This is not when the coin dies off. It's nowhere near dying off. It's still holding pretty strong at about 0.208. Maybe it could hit the 0.207 range. I believe it did, but it could maybe stay on that for a little bit, kind of consolidate, and then head on to its rally. Even if we were to go back to our all-time high, our previous numbers, that is about a 77% pump from here. Again, almost a double if we take a look. So it still has crazy upside potential. Again, not even creating new numbers, even just going back to that number, our previous all-time high, 87% pump, which is no small number. If we take a look at a bigger coin like this, it definitely takes a look. It definitely takes a lot more money to move this coin. So still very huge potential, I believe. And if people are complaining that Turbo is not doing good, what other coins are doing good? All of these coins are actually down more than Turbo. Some of them are down more than Turbo, and some are following similar trends as well. So it's not Turbo to blame. It's not the market to blame. It is just a part of the game right now. So definitely still holding strong, I would say. And if we take a look at actually the comments, community still 92% bullish. This is a moment where everyone is tested mentally. Stock and crypto drop following Jerome Powell's speech, but that shouldn't make us falter. I've been in the market since 2021, and I have absolute unwavering confidence in my current crypto investments. Dip like this do not phase me, even with the project being my biggest holding ever. Only the weak will fail and miss out one of the best opportunities of their lifetime. Turbo has the potential to create life-changing wealth as we head up to alt season between late January and April. Those weak hands who leave now will never know what true success is, and you'll see when this coin surpasses expectations and leave you behind with the higher prices during alt seasons. Selling now could be the biggest mistake of your life. Hold strong and weather the storm. Success awaits you in the near future. So definitely pretty well said. Dips are regulars in the market. It's not the first time it's happening, and these are your opportunities to get in low. I've heard tons of people talking about buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, but when the price actually goes low, nobody wants to buy. Coin's dead, blah blah blah. A lot of FUD around the coin, but these are the smart ones will know that these are the buying opportunities. These are your dip that people wait for. So again, still crazy buying opportunity right now. Never sell. Those drops are completely unfounded and are meant to scare people into selling. You will see a new all-time high very soon, and as we did talk about, even if we do the previous all-time high, that is about a 70-80% back up. Even if you bought here, you could still have crazy potential. Gotta love the dips loading up. I'm bullish on Turbo, putting in a massive long on Turbo around 0.2065. target buy. So as I said, it could do a little lower right here, again probably to the 0.207s or the 0.206, and most of the market is following Bitcoin right now. We can see Bitcoin is down to back down to 97k, also down almost 3% in the weekly. It is down a lot more. It is down, if we take a look at from the top to low, down about more 7 to 8% in the week, and monthly still up, but again has come back from that number. So not looking too great on Bitcoin as well. Ethereum also 11% down in the weekly. So even small numbers in these coins are really huge impacts. Almost every percent is about $1,000 in Bitcoin right now. So that is pretty huge deal. And as we all know, the market usually follows Bitcoin. So definitely Turbo is doing the same thing and not doing too well as of right now, but most likely it will pick up very soon after we do see some target price reach. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video I did take a look at Turbo and most of the market itself, and they are all down right now, so nothing to be scared of. If you can load up this dip, again, I'm not a financial advisor. Do make sure to do your own due diligence, do your own research first before you get into any of these meme coins. Still a very risky market, so do make sure you understand your money first. But even with that said, if you did enjoy this video, hit the thumbs up button and drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.